Yo guys, so today I'm going to put on some eyelids on my car. I originally had them with these things. They're like fiberglass. However, I needed to change my bulb back in January, and when I tried to take those off, what's it called? The VHB, or the adhesive that you use to put like side skirts and stuff on, had completely like stuck onto the headlight, and I had to rip it off. So I broke one of them, and I thought, what else can I do? So that's where this comes in. I have a wrap that's very similar to my color. It's maybe a bit darker, but it's eyelids. Who gives a crap? Then I got the knife for that. I got a template so I can follow that with this knifeless tape. And then, I'm gonna clean off the headlight with this, and then get another rag to use as with my squeegee. So, yeah, I think it's gonna be a better option than using the fiberglass because it'll look nicer. There's not gonna be, I don't have to stick this to my headlight. It's just gonna be the vinyl now. But when I put this on, it would be like one corner would stick up, and I could never fix it with the tape, so I'm not going to be finding that. And then if I just need to redo this all, I could just rewrap it. So I'll take you guys out there in 1 second. Alright, so we're outside. Got my knife there, got some waterless wash. I'm just going to wash this because you want a clean surface, obviously. But also, we're coming back from, Virginia. So there's a bunch of bugs and dirt on this. So, clean this off real quick. I was thinking about doing the wet method, but I don't have the proper squeegee because I lost it. So, I'm gonna clean this off real quick on this side. There's some rock chips, but what you gonna do? I tried using the Laminex on this, but since it's so like concave or convex, which one it is, convex I think, that it bunched up and I just couldn't really use it. So now I have my template here. I'm actually gonna use this for label it wrong. I'm gonna use this to put on here, and then follow the contour with the knifeless tape. So you're gonna see that process now, like this. So I'll kind of follow that. No, of course I drop it. I'll put this here for now. And this is just the 3M knifeless tape here. Oh, I got a squeegee. Okay. Maybe we'll... Yeah, it's fine. Alright, there's the tape. We're gonna start like Alright. So since that's back on, where did I always lose things. What the heck? Oh. Give it one more squirt. Give it a good wipe down. See, I'm not gonna use like alcohol to clean this because it's plastic and I don't want it to mess with the plastic. So we're gonna continue on with that. And then I have these pre-cut. Well, not pre-cut, but I slimmed them down. I'm gonna take these out, stick it on there, and then kind of get it flat. Alright, so I'm gonna grab the vinyl, peel like half, no not half, but like a good quarter, so we can get it on there. And I'll get the squeegee out. I was going to use one of my cards, but since I have the squeegee, might as well. Soft material, soft plastic. And just going to do this slowly. Make sure it's on the headlights. If there's any bubbles, we'll crease them out. And I'm not stretching this because it's going to cause like it to pull back on itself, so. We don't care about the rest here, just make sure it's kind of flat right now. And you can see, without my, there you go, that's a good angle. You can see the knifeless tape line all the way up. So we're going to do that right now. I'm trying to adjust you guys. There you go. Pull this off. so what I've done was like I held the edge of the vinyl. As you can see the string here, this is what's gonna cut it. So we're just gonna pull the string and kind of keep my fingers next to it so I can at least get the cut right. Alright, so I got the string out, and if I pull right here, oh, I gotta make sure you get all. There we go. Just stick that right there for now. You guys can see it's pretty close. It's not great, but what we'll do here is lift this up and get the excess knifeless tape. Grab down here actually. Alright, so we got the inside edge done. And now we're just going to take the knife and cut the rest. All right. So that was actually pretty not too bad. All right. Oh, my back. So weak in my back. All right, so you guys can see that it's on. You know, got that nice line all the way up. And you guys can see, I did a kind of a short line. I kind of wanted to be a little bit further, but my initial cut was not that great. So I kind of followed the line, made that what it is. But, you know, I got more rep. I'm learning. And then there's a clear film on this. I'm trying to get off. See if I can pull it off over here. There we go. And that's satisfying. Nice, that looks nice. I'm pretty happy with that. Sorry, I'm really happy with it. Take a step back. There's still some snow behind me. Excuse me. Alright, now we're going to go back to the other side and get that finished. And hopefully we can call this video a quick one. Alright guys, so you're on my phone right now. My camera just died. So this is what she looks like. You know, eyelids on. It looks super dope. That no, that's just water. Okay, cool. Let's make sure it's flat. I gotta do a better job at these edges, so whenever this starts to peel off, I'll do a better job on the edges here. But it looks good. The previous fiberglass one was actually hitting the hood on the inside here, so I'm glad that this does not, because, you know, it's vinyl, it's thin. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked about this. The lines look right. I'm gonna go back a bit. Oh god, I almost fell on that. But yeah, she looks good. Can't wait for the next track day, and I'll see you guys then.